Tongo, let's bring the energy. Sending morning vibes to all our
Good morning, good Andres, everyone. It's a Monday.
Yay.
Matay lisinga ni ang totalen
Another new month.
New month,
Yeah,
yes. First Monday of this new month.
Dino sir, Debs, ba?
Yeah, I'm good.
What time you went to sleep last night?
I sleep at the right time.
Oh.
Around
5 p.m.
after 9,
Oh, yeah.
5 p.m. na to.
Hey, to all the students tuning this morning, maybe going to school
Yes.
with dad and mom. We say to all the family. Makausip talaga bikin rin Ravi to Lili. And would be Tokani. To all our friends tuning from the Northern Division.
Right.
And alam na sana about turang to the Aulra Bua e Maduwata.
Yan naman to all the mothers tuning in from home. So, Ersagarten, class 1 and class 2. Some parents still going to school to drop them off. Kindergarten for kindergarten. Many parents will wait until 2 p.m. and then they'll come back home with their kids.
Wana wisa.
Amel level bila senia pioseru and Rebecca and everybody joining this morning for another day, another month, another sunshine, another lovely. So another week of the schooling.
Right.
Don't know Binaka. We keep the cadre Sebuli Mai. When was the last time you wash your clothes?
The last time I washed my clothes, just last weekend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, last weekend.
Yeah, ikaw sabi ng katanga si part of the
That's
program.
the smallest clothes.
I want small clothes because I want to show every time I went to bathing.
Yeah.
I just want to show the two boys and the daughter.
Right.
After nangono ko to si Siloti kita mo to sa pata no mo isulu.
Right.
Kaso sa sarili sulu some of the because in the
Yes.
village you after bath you in the river you wash your own clothes on the stool.
It's very easy, eh?
Iyo.
Very easy and very clean.
Oh, ano naman de ikutunito na ngur. Okay, is there any time or any one time when you go and drink grog, ngonik sa grog yan, ngonik sa tambutung batik sa lotu, hindi ko rin napakat sila mate. Bonto na mumbilo, baka ikontot sila mumbilo.
No, I don't have a cup.
Private ka na bito ka buli ba? Yan na ka tuwal daw lida.
You know you have a cup?
No.
Aaron doesn't drink grog, eh?
I don't drink grog, the Messi.
She drinks wine.
Oh, yeah.
Tamay gabi, ano ba na matumal ni tamay
Kaya
gabi?
ako bubudsilingan na po dulalang.
When in house, good morning.
Gurun to ko
Yeah. Sa dampal pimba ni Balu from Loma kids going to school. Wambibi by Teacher Ma.
Yeah.
Right.
Good morning, Teacher Ma. Thank you very much to all the teachers out there.
Yes,
Thank you
true.
for your supportive to our children.
Yeah.
Without you, you are like their parents in school.
Yes.
Because most of the time you spend with them throughout the day.
Yes.
True?
Especially kindergarten teachers, eh? We can see that when they go to the washroom, the teachers will go with them, especially boys.
Accompany them.
Yes, accompany them.
Yeah.
He wants everything uniform, including the belt.
Oy.
Kuatal nga pa beleti.
Iya.
Kaya doon rende bugali so tao ko ya. Nakya na luma ng beleti.
Siya.
Mengo libalilay. And that's where
Oy.
teacher ka. Yeah. So
Ano na?
right now we don't want to send him to school with a belt on his pants.
Oy.
Iyo, sama torses nga ni buli.
Right.
Kini mambeleti. Sa nga ni tirngan na ngonera to kay na primary school idake.
Iya. Ang ko ilay ko.
Ilaingo.
Iko sin baka tigin mo yata.
Babi ni binakabir na ang kas ni buli eh.
Iyo.
Nanon ra daw bi toko ni to ka nanon ra bingarabi.
Iyo.
Nanon na itabi ni mami na itubutubo.
Iyo.
Ersaling karabati ko.
Osam tuk naman nga usara piwali man nga ni ko bato ilay may wanin buka eh. No na to ilay ko na soba. Ilay no mi yata sin baka taki rusa vida lechar. Uy ko sa segni pambeli chingo. No mi yata iliu pambeli chi e waren torsis.
Kwa.
Elijah Christian Mastelo di kumbulare. Iya. Benechare, mana tu benechare.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Kaya baya without the clothes or nanalo ilay.
Iya.
Aku sin madal.
Sa ko na ilay, reketa na torpunin bukan ono skala layar pamya. Okay, I'll start this morning about husband and the wife.
Iya.
There's a difference between them.
The rules from the doctor.
Right.
You don't make him anger.
Right.
Okay.
Make him or make her?
Make her anger.
Right.
Mekunin to rawa lebona. So that's the rules from the doctor.
Right.
So he loves her.
Oh, right.
Terus sambu bintu muni kandi na rono biwa chiningo.
So, the wife is high blood pressure, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because a sickness she have.
Yes.
That's why the doctor told the husband, don't ever make her anger.
Right. Keep
Don't
her happy.
ever make her pain.
Right.
Don't ever make her stubborn.
Okay.
Don't ever make her hunger. Just make her
Happy.
happier.
Right.
So you come.
Who?
You, doctor. Doctor come.
Yeah.
They go together. They have a blessed and happy family.
Yeah.
So after 3 years of marriage, one day the mother was very, very angry
Yeah.
Oh.
because daddy never leave his right food.
Oh.
Na kena kakara talitaki.
Yeah.
Esenga ni marore to daddy.
Right.
Engai soba me kenra na manuman.
Really?
Because accidentally.
Oh.
So he was there at home. He was angry. Sararawa o Bunimarama. So when he was angry, they never talk to each other. So
Sabi le mo adingo, asang lebital no.
Asang nabital no.
Isa.
Daddy, inside him, he is a sleeper.
Okay.
Tulang ulumode.
Right.
Sleep on.
Yeah. He's a
Sleep on
head
na, mama.
sleep on.
Yeah.
He is a head sleeper called
Yeah.
the ulumode too.
Right.
So one day, he leave the home. He leave the home. He just come and see mother was about to lie down. They never
Right.
sleep together.
Oy.
Eros ni bata. Daddy sleep on the floor and mother sleep on the mattress on the double.
Sa toso na kango.
Yeah. So he wants the mother to wake him up.
Because
When
he's
he
a
woke-
sleepyhead, right?
Yeah. Tokan daw mo
Yeah.
too. And he was worried about the last warning letter was given by the boss.
Yes.
If he lose this morning, if he
Right.
late again,
Yeah.
he will be terminated.
Fired.
Yeah.
Yes.
So he was there. He wrote a piece of paper. He wrote it there. Please wake me up at 5 a.m.
Okay.
Because they never talk to each other.
Right.
Yeah.
The only thing that
So he
talk the
passed.
book.
Right. The message.
the message on the
Right,
paper.
On the paper.
He
Please
write-
wake me up at 5 a.m.
Yeah, he write,
Okay.
please wake me up at 5 a.m.
Right.
He put that piece of paper on the table close to mommy's bed
Yeah.
where mommy is sleeping.
Okay.
So mommy woke up and see the paper around 4 a.m.
Yeah.
Right.
He saw the paper there. Please wake me up at 5 a.m. He knew nobody else.
Yeah.
This is daddy.
Right.
Because he know daddy very well.
Right.
Yeah.
So again, he never talk or wake daddy's up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wake him up
Letter.
through paper.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Another paper.
He write it there. Please wake up. It's 5 a.m. Kuna ni Sairo may nakatumbala ka na langgan ni Songon, langgan ni Bako na matanisinga.
Matrising ya, yeah.
Garido ka na ibola, nindala ni bola bulikina.
Yeah.
Sa tanga talito kinindo na ibola.
Yeah.
Wili ko
Na
pa
sound ni Nonay Bola.
Na sound ni Nonay Bola.
Yeah.
Na Nonay Bola kino ka, please wake me up at 5 a.m.
Yeah.
And nandala ni Nonay Bola, tanga talito kinindo na ibola.
Yeah.
Abola talito kina, please wake up.
Yeah.
It's 5 a.m.
So sa kambimbi na bitala no may bali.
Right. Communication.
Kako na bitun rubi.
If you hate someone, please keep on talking.
Di na Sara.
Please apologize.
Right.
Please, you have the
Apologize.
heart of forgiveness.
Right.
Yeah.
That will enable us through the new week,
Yeah.
the new month, the new year we are going.
Yeah.
If you have a pothole in life between your marriage,
Yeah.
Right.
please patch in on touch it.
Mane banube? Tamay gabi ano binaka, may gayar na numi na lady kormay na sele.
Yeah.
Bibi berongo ni bulike de Sara, aban ni binakutiya ni Fama Boy. Tutuwa sa
Hey!
mo.
Pamaman Romulo ye, kema tamale.
Semra yawa yan binaka emori tuya na waikoro. Semra sating may Sherwood Park may Alberta kanta erma tangan ikua. Ayar binaka ban binaka birnangon ni mulo muslim. Kena mulo secondary karwawan basi tokogo.
Rom situ sawana.
Right.
Baik kakaya. Jor kumar bayi.
Yandra binaka pelania sitale.
Right, brother.